Stop thinking of AI as robots taking over. The idea of artificial intelligence often conjures up images of futuristic robots, dystopian futures, and machines that might one day outsmart us. But the reality is far more exciting and beneficial. AI is not here to replace us, but to assist us in ways we never thought possible. It's time to meet ChatGPT, the AI that's here to help. Imagine an AI that can understand your needs, respond to your queries, and even engage in meaningful conversations with you. This is not some far-off dream. It's happening right now with ChatGPT. Okay, so picture this. You're chatting with a friend online. You share jokes, ask questions, and get advice. Now, what if I told you that this friend could be an AI? Now, imagine that friend is actually an AI. Sounds cool, right? This AI, ChatGPT, can mimic human conversation so well that you might forget you're not talking to a real person. That's ChatGPT. It's like having a super smart assistant right at your fingertips, ready to help you with anything you need. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is like having a super smart assistant right at your fingertips. OpenAI has been at the forefront of AI research, and ChatGPT is one of their most impressive creations. It's designed to be intuitive, responsive, and incredibly helpful. It's designed to understand and respond to your questions, just like a human would. Whether you're a student needing help with homework, a writer looking for inspiration, or just someone who loves to chat, ChatGPT is there for you. Need help with homework? ChatGPT's got your back. Writing a story? It can brainstorm with you. Imagine having a tool that can help you generate ideas, refine your writing, and even suggest plot twists. It can brainstorm with you. Whether you're working on a school project, writing a novel, or just need some creative input, ChatGPT can be your go-to brainstorming partner. Even when you're stuck on a tough problem, ChatGPT can help you think it through. It can provide different perspectives, suggest solutions, and guide you through complex issues. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT's capabilities extend far beyond personal use. Businesses are using ChatGPT to improve customer service, making it easier for you to get help when you need it. Imagine calling a customer service line and getting immediate, accurate responses without the long wait times. It's making tech more accessible and fun. From helping children with their studies to assisting the elderly with daily tasks, ChatGPT is bridging the gap between technology and people of all ages. The integration of AI like ChatGPT into our daily lives is transforming the way we live, work, and play. It's making our cities smarter, our homes more efficient, and our lives more connected. So, next time you think AI is just sci-fi, remember ChatGPT. It's not just a concept from a movie, it's a real, tangible tool that's making a difference today. It's here, it's awesome, and it's changing the way we interact with technology. Ready to chat? With ChatGPT, the future of human-machine interaction is here, and it's more exciting than ever. So, why wait? Dive into the world of ChatGPT and discover how this incredible AI can enhance your life in ways you never imagined.